Welcome back to Panick Inc Custom Shop. Today I want to show you guys one of the bases we have for sale. It's available in our reverb shop on eBay, as well as you can purchase it directly through us on our website or by messaging us through our different social media channels, including through the YouTube channel. This one is the HTM34. Is a 34-inch scale hollow body Telecaster bass. Has a Music Man style pickup. This is an ARTEC MM-4. It has a white pearloid control cover with a kill switch, volume and tone controls. This one has a Wilkinson vintage style bridge with brass saddles. The finish on this guy on the front is a Vampire Red Ceruse finish with black, gray, and white grain fill. On the back, it's a black Ceruse with gray and silver grain fill, and the body sides are left natural. It has Shaler style strap locks included with the bass. The neck on this is a black gloss finish maple neck. It has a rosewood fretboard with white pearloid inlays and white binding. It has small vintage style frets, Black Beauty strings. This is the 45 to 105 medium gauge set. The neck has slight relicking, a couple of little places that are worn back with the maple showing. It has a reverse 4-in-line headstock and a set of Grover tuning machines. Right now, like I said, it's available through our different sales and social media channels. I'll have links for it down in the description. Check it out if you're interested in making this one your own. And I'll now give a little quick playing and display of the bass. So there you have it, the Panick Inc Custom Shop HTM34 bass. It is available. There are links below to all the different places you could purchase this bass, our reverb shop, our eBay store, or you can purchase it directly through the website or through messaging us here or in our social media channels. We've got it listed for $985 plus tax and shipping, or you can use our Panick Inc 4-play option, which is our in-house 0% financing. Basically, we take the total of the price of the base plus sales tax and eBay fees. We split it into sales tax and PayPal fees. We split it into 4 payments. This one, it would be $293 for your 4 payments. They can be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, any of the 3. Once your final payment's made, base is shipped to you and it's yours. Stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date with our channel. Be sure to check out the website, check out our merch shop. Get yourself Panick Inc custom shop t-shirts or stickers or any of the other good stuff we've got available in the merch shop. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys on the next one.
And in the rain, and in the wind, and in the storm, I'll shelter you. When I was down, you stuck by me. Now I'll shelter you in every storm. When I was down, you stuck by me. Now I'll shelter you.